Hello, I'm Ruth,
I'm Lara.
and welcome to this instalment of the Write Your Future series.
This first video is going to revolve around finding inspiration for your work. Now remember, our words are by no means gospel, but we hope that the tricks and advice that we provide will go some way in helping you out.
So without further ado, let's begin.
Tip number 1, read like you've never read before. I'm going to preface this with don't plagiarise people's work, because not only is it an extremely lame thing to do, it's also illegal. However, taking inspiration from work is absolutely not. So maybe you're studying Macbeth and ponder, imagine if these three witches were dinner ladies. Or you're rereading Lord of the Rings and think, hey, elves, am I right?
Yes, Lara, because we've all had that exact train of thought while rereading Lord of the Rings.
Of course.
Yeah. But the point still stands. Reading helps us become better writers. It reveals to us different plots, perspectives, voices, styles, and genres, forcing us to decide whether we like them or not and consider why that is. So this also extends to other mediums like TV shows. So here is your free pass to switch over to Netflix. Tip number 2, writing exercises are your friend. I know these do seem like something your English tutor or creative writing teacher will force you to do when they haven't come up with a concrete lesson plan, which is kind of what we're doing now, but that's besides the point. Writing exercises are useful tools. They encourage you to write in ways that you haven't perhaps thought of before.
Yeah, they sort of back you into a corner. They take away your carefully polished plan and force you to focus on something small or something in particular. Most importantly, however, they actually get you writing, which is the first and possibly the largest step in creating your masterpiece.
And if you're interested in writing exercises, then check out our blog for some advice. A little bit of self-promotion here. But also, we have a free schools pack coming out very soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that.
See you soon.
Bye.